Hello everyone. In this video I am sharing tutorial for this mini heart bouquet keychain. If you want to make something for Valentine gift, then it's perfect as it's very quick and easy to make. So let's get started and make this. Here I am using a 4-ply yarn and a 3 mm hook. So start by making a magic circle with red yarn. Now in this magic circle, firstly make 2 chains. So 1 chain and second chain. Now make a double crochet in this magic circle. So yarn over, insert your hook in this circle. We have 3 loops. Pull through first 2 loops and then again pull through last loops. Now we'll make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the circle and pull through all the 3 loops. Again make a half double crochet. Now make a double crochet. So again yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, then again pull through 2 loops. Now again make 2 half double crochet. So this is the first half double crochet. Now again a half double crochet. Now make a double crochet. And now we'll pull this yarn to close this magic circle. And you will notice it has taken a shape of heart. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and we'll make a slip stitch in this hole, the magic circle hole. Insert your hook and then make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn tightly to give it a shape of heart. And now cut the yarn. Pull the yarn out and pull the magic circle thread tightly to close it and give it a shape of heart, as you can see. And then at the back side we are going to tie 2 to 3 knots with these loose yarns. So I'm making 2 knots to secure them. And for now we are not going to cut it. I'll explain it later what we are going to do with this thread, so don't cut it right now. Now we are going to make the stem. So take green yarn and make a slip knot. Now take the heart and at the back side of the heart insert your hook in any of the stitch. I'm inserting my hook in the center stitch right here, and there take the green yarn and pull it out from this stitch. Like this. And now we are going to make 11 chains. So 1, 2, 3 and keep repeating until you get 11 chains. So you have completed 11 chains, and now skip the first stitch and make a slip stitch into the second stitch. This way we are going to make slip stitch in all the stitches. Initially we had 11 chains and we skipped first chain, so in total we are going to make 10 slip stitches. So keep making slip stitch until you reach to the end. Here I have completed 10 slip stitch. Now turn the heart at back and then again insert your hook in any of the stitch and make a slip stitch to end this. You doesn't have to be precise, just insert your hook in any of the stitch you can find there and then make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn pull it out. As you can see, our little heart is ready. And at the back side, now we are going to tie a knot with this green yarn. So make 2 knots, 1 and then 2. And now cut the yarn. So don't cut the yarn near the knot, leave a little space and then cut the yarn. We will also cut the green one. So again, after knot, leave a little bit of space and then cut the yarn. Don't cut it near knot. Now gather all the leftover yarn tails and put some glue on it to secure it. I'm using hot glue. You can use whatever glue you have. And don't worry if it looks messy at the back side, because it's not gonna be visible after wrapped in a bouquet. So don't worry about that. Here I have made few more of heart flowers. I have also made it in pink color. You can make it in any color that you prefer. Make 6 to 7 heart flowers. Now we will be making wrapping paper for the bouquet. So I am using white yarn and a 3 mm hook. Firstly, make a slip knot. And now make 21 chains. So 1, 2, 3. Keep making chains until you have 21 chain in total. Here I have completed making 21 chains. And now we are going to skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the next one. So initially we had 21 chains, we skipped one chain and now we have total of 20 chains. So in 10 chain we are going to make single crochet, and in another 10 chains we are going to make double crochets. So keep making single crochets until you have total of 10 single crochets. I have made 2 single crochets till now, and this is the third one. Now fourth, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet, seventh, eighth, ninth, and lastly the 10th single crochet. So now from here we are going to make 10 double crochets in rest of the 10 chains. So yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch. Now pull through first 2 loops and then again pull through 2 loops. So this is the first double crochet. Now I'm making the second double crochet, and in the same way we are going to make 10 double crochet till we reach to the last chain. So in total we have 10 single crochets and 10 double crochets. So here I have completed it, and once again let me explain it to you. So for the second row we are going to make 10 double crochets on top of the double crochets and 10 single crochets on top of the single crochets. Chain 2 and start making 10 double crochets, and then we are going to make 10 single crochets. So chain 2 and turn your work, and we are going to work for the second row. So yarn over and make a first double crochet, and now on top of each double crochets we are going to make a double crochet, which will be total of 10 double crochets. So keep making it until you have 10 double crochets. Here I have made 10 double crochets, and now on the rest of the single crochets that we had made in the first row we are going to make single crochet on top of it. So we are going to make 10 single crochets. So 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. So keep making it until you reach at the last stitch. So here I have completed row 2. So once again I'm explaining. Make single crochets on top of every single crochet and make double crochet on top of each double crochet. So for the next round we are going to chain 1 and then turn our work, because we have ended this row with a single crochet. and the row that ends with a double crochet, then you will make 2 chains and then turn your work. So you have to remember this, and rest of the thing is same, 10 double crochets and 10 single crochets. So we are going to repeat this until we have 10 rows. Hence we have ended the second row with a single crochet. So for the next row we will chain 1 and then turn our work and then continue making 10 single crochets. After that we are going to make 10 double crochets. Here I have completed the 10 rows, and now we are going to make border all around to give it a even finish. So for that, firstly chain 1 and turn your work. After that make a single crochet in each of the stitch. So in the first one make a single crochet, second, that way in each stitch we are going to make a single crochet till this corner. So here I have made the single crochet, and now on top of the wrapping paper, so just insert your hook in any of the space you find and then make a single crochet. So any hole or space that you see, insert your hook and keep making single crochet until you reach to the corner. So keep making it. So make single crochet all around the wrapping paper on all the sides. So on this side you can find the stitches, and again on the bottom it's difficult to find the stitches, so just insert the hook in any of the hole and keep making single crochets. So here I have made single crochets all around the wrapping paper. Insert your hook in the corner stitch, the last one, and there make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn, pull it out and weave in this loose thread at the back side of the wrapping paper. So thread your needle and hide this tail at the back side. Now arrange all the heart flowers on wrapping paper in whatever way you like it to be, and then stick each of the flower with the glue. So just put some glue at the back of each of the flower and stick it together. So here I have sticked all the heart flowers on wrapping paper. You can arrange them in any way you like. Now we are going to close this bouquet at the end. So for that, wrap it like this and put some glue on both the ends of the bottom part like this, and then stick it. Now take a little long yarn to tie the bouquet and there make a knot and a bow. Cut the extra yarn and the little bouquet is ready. Now we are going to attach the keychain on top of it. So take the keychain and yarn your needle with white yarn. Take a little longer one, and in the center of the bouquet insert your needle, then insert the needle through the keychain and like this, and go back to the next stitch and you will see the keychain is attached. Now we just have to repeat this 2 to 3 times to secure it. So again go back to the next stitch, insert your needle through the keychain and bring your needle from the next stitch. Keep repeating it until you feel the keychain is secured. After that, make 2 to 3 knots. Now just hide these loose yarns. So yarn your needle and take the yarn at the back side and there hide it into the stitches. Cut it off and in the same way hide this tail also. So the keychain is ready. Just add a little bit of glue on this bow to secure it so that it doesn't open. And our very cute keychain is ready. I hope this was easy to follow. If you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe to my channel if you want more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.